Hey guys, this is our book that's all about roots by Throp. This is a great book for you to practice reading aloud. If you would like to practice, pause every time the page turns and practice reading on your own. If you don't want to practice reading out loud, you can just listen and read along with me. Let's review. What are plants? Plants are living things. These are the parts of a plant: the flower, the stem, the leaf, the root, and the seed. Plants have many parts. What do plants need to grow? Plants need sunlight and air to grow. Plants need water to grow too. Can you think of anything else plants need to grow? I think plants need soil to grow. What do you think? What are roots? Roots are one part of a plant. Roots hold plants in the soil. Do you know where the roots come from? If you said the seeds, then you're exactly right. Roots grow from seeds. Do you remember that plants need water to grow? This is how they get their water. Roots take in water from the ground to help the plant grow. Where do roots grow? Most roots grow underground. We cannot see them. Some roots grow above ground. Can you think of any roots that you can see above ground? I can think of some trees in my neighborhood that their roots grow above the ground, and sometimes I trip on them when I take my dog for a walk. Some roots grow in the air. Some roots grow into other plants. There are many types of roots. Young plants have small roots. Old plants have big roots. If you were a plant, do you think you would have big or small roots based on your age? I think my roots would be medium-sized. Some roots are hairy. Some roots are smooth. Some roots grow straight down, and some roots spread out. We eat some roots as food. People like to eat some roots. Sweet potatoes are roots. Carrots are roots too. If you've ever eaten sweet potatoes or carrots, then you've eaten roots. Plants need roots. Water moves through roots into the plant. Roots help the plant to grow. Thank you for listening and reading along with me. You guys keep working hard, and I'll see you soon.